We've been busy on 4 projects here in a variety of metals here: copper, gold, silver, and lithium here. And just as a very quick summary, in 2022, what we accomplished was the Come By Chance, which we're targeting a large copper gold porphyry. We put in 2,300 meters into there, 2,300 meters of drilling in the AJ gold. I'll go into a little more detail. Another 7,000 meters in our Lone Star, where we've generated a resource on that as well, copper gold resource. Very pleased with that's developing. And for lithium, we drilled 2,000. We have a JV partner that as well, who's putting up all the costs for drilling. We drilled 2,000 meters on that, and for looking for lithium brines as opposed to clay lithiums. Well, starting off with our flagship project, and this is the Come By Chance, or CBC. We're targeting a large copper gold porphyry, as I've said, and we've done extensive IP and geophysics, and we've drilled somewhat 2,000 meters early this year, and it's targeting, and we're vectoring in towards the core of a potential large porphyry system. And so we have enough information now to know how to plan our 2023 drill program, and that's more of the core of the porphyry system. So we're very excited about that. And that's where the company's really focused on. And moving on, we have our AJ, or it's the Atlas and Jackpot, the Atlas and Jackpot gold mines. 2 gold mines, 2 historic gold mines, the 1890s, 1900s. And what we plan to do there is that we're finding a lot of dumps on the property from old mine workings. And these dumps are, in those days, 1890s or the 1900s, that I said, if they didn't see visual gold, then they considered it dirt. Well, today we think different. New technology, new processing, new extraction. And we've, and sampling on some of these dumps have got up to 1% ounces per ton gold. So it's a quick, fast track to a revenue generating. We're going to process, sample further, bulk sample, and process this dump sampling nearby mills. Wow. So moving on, again, this is our Lone Star copper gold porphyry, just the resource. This is our JV partner, Marquis again. They're footing 100% of the exploration. They spent $2.5 million last year. Gave us 3 million of their shares plus $300,000 in cash. It's a good deal for our shareholders, and for 80% of the project. They've drilled 7,000 meters. They produced a resource. And it shows that the resource is open and extent, but now they're focused on for the upcoming year, they'll drill some more, and they're focused on delivering a PEA, which is part of their commitment to earn 80%. So that'll be the focus of that drilling, more drilling, focus on the higher grade core, higher grade of the system there, and we look forward to that as well as far as for our shareholders. If you love lithium, you'll love this one. Again, Belmont owns about 50 square kilometer, all the claims in this basin. In this basin, which is just north of Clayton Valley. One of the features of this is we have 2 water permits. We have plenty of water, unlike Clayton Valley, where they're struggling for water. Even if they're advanced stage projects, they don't have water. And we have plenty of water. We're developing, looking for the lithium brines, unlike not clays, but brines, which are deeper down. Now, this is very expensive to drill these at this deep, especially in the clays. If you don't have deep pockets, it can break a company, the drilling for lithium. And knowing this, we brought in a JV partner, again, the Australian group, Marquis out of Australia. They said, we're glad to drill it. We'll put up the money. So we gave them only a 10 or 50 or 10 square kilometer core of the project. What that does is they take on all the risk at their expense. $2.5 million to $3 million. Again, it saves our shareholders from dilution. We don't have to spend a dime on this. And if they are successful in this year, or the coming year, if they are successful, we have all the upside. We retain the remaining 40 kilometers around the core there, which contains this potential an anomaly here, brine targets. So we have all the upside and minimal downside, 0 downside actually. And if they are successful, also we retain 20% in the core as well. So it's a really good deal for our shareholders, where someone else takes all the risk, and that's the way you want to do business.